9. The second leg of the UEFA Nations League will be played between Spain and France. Guys, this game will be a very, very tough game. Who do you think will come out of this game? Who do you think will qualify for the final that will be played on Sunday? I don't know. You can put it on the comment section. Portugal awaits the winner between Spain and France. To me, my prediction, it will be a very, very tough game. It will be a very, very tight game. And both teams will score, but the the highest scorer will come out of this game because these two teams are very talented team. They have very good quality players. To me, the highest scorer will come, but I'll go for to be a go game. That's my prediction for the game. See you later, guys. Peace out.